Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing virgin mojito recipe made without refined sugar or soda. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a small bowl, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds. Add in some water. Basil seeds or sabja seeds has cooling properties. Also note that basil seeds and chia seeds are different. I have already shared a detailed video on the difference between basil seeds and chia seeds. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out to understand more. And allow the basil seeds to get swelled up. It should take a couple of minutes, so I'm going to keep it aside. To make virgin mojito, I'm using half of a lemon which I have cut into wedges. I'm adding the lemon wedges into the serving glass. Into this I'm adding in 6 to 7 fresh mint leaves. I'm roughly tearing the mint leaves and adding in 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground saunf, also known as fennel seeds, a pinch of freshly ground black pepper powder, 1/3 teaspoon kala namak, also known as black salt, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. For sweetness, I'm adding in half teaspoon organic sugarcane jaggery. The jaggery I'm using does not contain dirt or dust particles, hence I'm adding the jaggery directly into this. You can increase jaggery as per your taste. If you prefer more sweetness, you can use 1 teaspoon or 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of jaggery. It's all a matter of your personal preference and sweetness. Also note that the jaggery I'm using is soft and creamy. I'm adding the jaggery into the serving glass. Instead of jaggery, you can also use liquid jaggery, also known as kakwi. With a muddler or with the back of a wooden spoon, muddle the ingredients in the serving glass itself. Next, I'm adding in a couple of tablespoons of soaked sabja seeds, also known as basil seeds. Sabja seeds or basil seeds has cooling properties, hence it's ideal to use in the summer. Next, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Also note that I'm using the apple cider vinegar which has the mother. The mother is actually the gut-friendly healthy bacteria. Add in some ice cubes. Couple of fresh mint leaves. Add in a glass of water. Give it a stir. And lastly, I'm garnishing it with a slice of lemon and a mint leaf. And my super healthy virgin mojito is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy virgin mojito and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.